of Mice and Men, Chapter 6, Pop Quiz. What does Lenny remember George telling him to do if he gets in trouble? Go to town and ask for candy? Hide in the brush and wait for George? Or go to another ranch? What is the first thing that Lenny imagines appearing from his head? A giant rabbit, a little fat old woman, or George's angry face? What item does George take from his pocket while talking to Lenny? A dead mouse, a letter agreeing to buy the ranch, or Carlson's gun? What is Lenny's last request to George? Tell how it's gonna be? Let's go find another ranch? Or can't we get no supper? Who is the only person that tries to comfort George? Candy, Crooks, or Slim? Lenny tells one of the hallucinations that he's known George for how long? 10 years? His whole life? Or he can't remember. What does the rabbit hallucination tell Lenny he is not fit to do? Work on a ranch, travel around with George, or lick the boots of a rabbit? Where does Lenny say he would go if George doesn't want him anymore? Home to Aunt Clara? To live in a cave? Or back to weed? What does George do with the gun after shooting Lenny? He gives it back to Carlson? He puts it into Lenny's hand? Or he tosses it away? When the other men show up, what does George tell them? Lenny was sick and needed help. Lenny had taken a gun, and George wrestled it away from him. Or George felt bad about what he had to do. What is Lenny doing in the woods before he hallucinates? Sitting with his arms around his legs, crying in a cave, or looking for a place to sleep? What does the Aunt Clara hallucination accuse him of? Not working hard enough, not caring for George and doing bad things, or eating too much food? Where does George tell Lenny to look while he describes their dream? At the gun, down across the river, or at the mountains? What does George promise Lenny will happen on their dream farm? They'll get rich? Everybody's going to be nice to him? Or they'll meet women and get married? Which character has the final line of the novel? George, Slim, or Carlson? How did you score?